Hello my dear students. Now we will discuss about what is meant by linear equation in one variable and what is meant by linear equation in two variables and what are pair of linear equations in two variables and what about their solutions. Linear equation in one variable. We know an equation of degree 1 we are calling as a linear equation. If its degree is 1, then we can say it is called as linear equation. For example, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. It is a linear equation, but it contains two variables. It may contain one variable also, two variable also. Here, if both a and b not equal to 0, then it is linear equation two variables. If one of that is equal to 0, then it is linear equation one variable. But if both are not equal to 0, then only it is a linear equation, both non-zeros. Now here, for example, 2x plus 3x plus 2y plus 4 equal to 0 is a linear equation two variables. 2x equal to 3 is a linear equation in one variable. X equal to 0 is a linear equation one variable. X equal to 0 is the equation of y-axis only. 2x plus 5 equal to 0. It is also a linear equation one variable. Now we will discuss about what is a pair of linear equation in one variable, in two variables. Pair of linear equations. Here it is only one linear equation. If you represent on graph paper, you will get a straight line. Maybe it will contain a slope, but it may be parallel to x-axis or y-axis also. How many points on this line? Infinitely many points. So if there is only one linear equation, it will contain many points. Those all are called as solutions. So if there is only one linear equation, it will contain infinite solutions. Infinite points, so infinite solutions. So if there is only one linear equation, then it contains infinite solutions. But what about a pair of linear equations? a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 is one linear equation, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 is another linear equation. Then here these two equations are said to be pair of linear equations in two variables x and y. If both a1 and b1 are non-zeros, then only it is linear equation in two variables. Otherwise it is linear equation in one variable also, maybe if one of that is 0. If both of them are zeros, then it is not a linear equation also. Why? Because c1 equal to 0. So it is not a linear equation. For example, 2x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. X minus y plus 3 equal to 0. This is a pair or a system of linear equation in two variables. If you solve this type of equations, we will get a graph of linear equation, maybe intersecting graph. That means both the linear equations, if you represent on graph paper, they may intersect. Otherwise, they may coincide. That means both the lines will lie on one another. Otherwise, they may be parallel. They may be parallel lines. So here, if they are intersecting, they have only one common point. So in this case, if you represent on graph paper, if you got intersecting lines, then they contain one solution. If you represent on graph paper, if they coincide, all these common points are called as solutions. So here they contain infinite solutions. If you represent on graph paper, if both the lines if we got like parallel lines, then there is no common points, so there is no solution. No solution. I think we got very good idea about pair of linear equations. Here if there is only one linear equation, it must contain infinitely many points on that. Those all are called as solutions. But if there is pair of linear equations, they may contain one solution or many solutions or no solution also. Common points we are calling as solutions. Common points for two lines we are calling as solution in case of pair of linear equations. Thank you everyone. Bye.